Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, the home of elite architecture, timeless design, and the world's most luxurious residences. Today, we step inside a breathtaking American luxury mansion that defines modern elegance, power, and prestige. Designed for those who demand perfection, this extraordinary white and red masterpiece stands as a symbol of refined taste and high-end living. From the very first glance, the mansion commands attention with its bold architectural presence. The exterior showcases a flawless white marble facade accented with rich red detailing, creating a striking contrast that feels both luxurious and timeless. Tall neoclassical columns rise proudly, while expansive glass windows invite natural light and reflect the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Every line, every angle of this home has been crafted to impress. As we move closer, the grand entrance sets the tone for what lies inside. A massive glass door framed with red accents and premium finishes welcomes you into a world of sophistication. The marble staircase leading inside feels like an invitation into royalty, where modern American luxury meets classic elegance. Stepping into the living area, the sense of space and refinement is immediate. The double-height ceiling enhances openness, while white marble floors shine under carefully designed lighting. Plush red velvet seating adds warmth and depth, perfectly balancing luxury with comfort. A statement crystal chandelier hangs gracefully above, reflecting light across the room and elevating the ambiance to pure elegance. The dining area continues the same luxurious story. A long designer dining table surrounded by red upholstered chairs creates a setting ideal for exclusive gatherings. The subtle red accents against the white interior give the space a bold yet refined personality. Every detail here reflects premium craftsmanship and elite lifestyle design. Moving into the private areas, the master bedroom feels like a 5-star luxury suite. The king-size bed with a red velvet headboard stands as the centerpiece, complemented by white marble flooring and soft ambient lighting. Large glass windows offer serene views while maintaining complete privacy. This space is designed for comfort, relaxation, and understated luxury. The bathroom transforms daily routines into spa-like experiences. White marble walls, a modern soaking bathtub, red accented vanities, and gold fixtures create a flawless blend of elegance and modern design. The atmosphere is calm, clean, and unmistakably luxurious. Entertainment and lifestyle are at the heart of this mansion. The private home theater offers an immersive cinematic experience with red acoustic panels, premium seating, and advanced lighting. The home gym reflects modern luxury living, featuring state-of-the-art equipment set within a clean white and red interior that motivates and inspires. Stepping outdoors, the mansion truly comes alive. The swimming pool area is surrounded by white marble decking and red-accented luxury loungers. Palm trees sway gently, creating a resort-style atmosphere perfect for relaxation and entertaining. As the sun sets, warm lighting transforms the outdoor space into a cinematic retreat. The backyard garden offers tranquility and balance. Manicured lawns, elegant outdoor seating, and subtle lighting make this space ideal for peaceful evenings or sophisticated gatherings. From every angle, the mansion maintains its cohesive design language, ensuring harmony across the entire estate. An aerial view reveals the true scale and symmetry of this magnificent property. The white and red color palette flows seamlessly across rooftops, terraces, balconies, and outdoor spaces. This is not just a house, but a complete luxury lifestyle designed for those who appreciate excellence. As night falls, the mansion transforms into a glowing architectural masterpiece. Exterior lighting highlights every detail, while the white marble shines against the deep red accents. The result is a powerful, unforgettable presence that defines million-dollar living. This American luxury mansion represents more than wealth. It represents vision, craftsmanship, and a lifestyle built around comfort, beauty, and prestige. Every room, every view, and every design element comes together to create a home that stands among the finest in the world. Thank you for joining Million Dollar Mansions on this exclusive luxury journey. If you appreciate elite architecture, timeless design, and extraordinary homes, stay connected with Million Dollar Mansions, where we bring you closer to the world's most stunning residences. Until next time, luxury lives here.